Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-upload sa aking YouTube channel. Miss ko kayong lahat. So ito, nagpa-part-time ko ngayon.
Oh no!
Guys, welcome back on my channel and kamusta kayong lahat? Wala tayong bagong videos or bagong upload sa ating channel because of the pandemic happening in our society today. I hope you're all okay, you're all fine, your family are fine, and malayo kayo sa anumang masamang karamdaman o kapahalikan. Stay safe, stay at home, and tonight, samahan niyo ako na maglinis ng bahay at maglilinis lang tayo, wala tayong ibang gagawin. Yun, so, come, join me. You touch me like this, and when you whisper, when you hold me, I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me. So ngayon, dahil quarantine tayo, yun. So naglilinis ako, and then while I'm listening to this music, yan. Then, ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-upload sa aking YouTube channel. So today, nagkaroon ng chance para mag-video, and then, ayun, na-miss ko kayong lahat. So ito, nagpa-part-time tayo ngayon. Part-time! Back to me now.
Oh no!
And that's the end of our video for today, and hope you like it, and stay safe, stay at home, and that's it. Keep safe, everyone. Goodbye.